everyone, now start your session. Cross both legs, sit comfortably, Sukhasana or Padmasana. Straight your spine, roll your shoulder back, chest open, Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Take a long deep breathing. And very gently breathe out. Again, deep breath in. Breathe out. Relax the body and relax your mind. Feel positive energy, positive thought. Relax. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 5. Inhale up. 6. Exhale down. 7. Again inhale. Look up. 8. Exhale down. 10. Inhale. And relax. Okay, everyone, relax. Again, everyone, open your both hands like this and touch your shoulder. Like 1, just open and straight your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your elbow like this, just open. 1, cross your elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Okay, again, same, turn your upper body, right and left side. 1, inhale, 2, 3, inhale, 4, exhale, 5, inhale, 6, exhale, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, open your both hands and drop your upper body, right side. 1, exhale, 2, inhale, 3, exhale, 4, inhale, 5, exhale, 6, inhale, 7, exhale. Properly stay, chest open. Now chest open, drop your both palm down, come forward and forehead down. Touch your forehead, your mat. Come forward, hold 10 count. 1, 2, come forward everyone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come back. Center. Okay, again, now straight your both legs. Okay, now today a belly fat exercise. ठीक है, आज belly fat की exercise रहेगी. Spine is straight and roll your shoulder back. Okay, now rotate your ankle. Chest open and look forward. Touch your feet. Rotate your ankle. 10 count clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 9, and 40. Come forward, everyone. Touch your toe, chest open and look forward. Stretch your spine. Hold for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, come up center. Again, check your leg and thighs. Deep breathing and breathe out. Inhale and exhalation. Okay, again everyone come to child pose. Child pose to cobra pose. 50 count child pose to cobra pose. Let's drop your knee down, palm down and forehead down. Exhale, stretch your spine. Child pose, then inhale, come to cobra pose. Elbows straight, roll your shoulder back, chest open, look inside. 1, inhale and 2.
मैं क्या करूंगा मैं क्या करूं
की चालन आसन कीजिए. 3, inhale. 4, लेग को ओपन करके बॉडी को रोटेट कीजिए. 20 काउंट क्लॉक कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Like elbow straight like this. Bend your both knee. This position. Now inhale, bend your knee, touch your thighs, your stomach. Like 1, inhale, and 2, straight your leg, right side 20 degree. Okay, knee properly straight. Then again close. Then again straight your leg, left side 20 degree. Then again close, like 1, 2, 3, 4. जिनको लोअर बैक पेन का प्रॉब्लम है तो आप अपने हिप के नीचे कुशन ले लीजिए या फिर टॉवल को फोल्ड करके देन आप इस एक्सरसाइज को कर सकते हो. ठीक है. कंटिन्यू एवरीवन. 1, 2, 3, come on, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, come on, very good. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Okay, few seconds, relax. Deep breathing and breathe out. Okay, again everyone. Same position one more time. Bend your both knee. Now same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 5, Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good, good, good. 13, 14, 15. Very nice, very nice. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, very good everyone. Straight your legs, दोनों leg को सीधा कीजिए and shake your leg. Leg को shake करो. Inhale and exhale. Okay, next everyone, drop your both hand your hip like this. अब जिनको बैक पेन साइटिका का प्रॉब्लम है तो आपने ओनली लेग्स को 90 डिग्री में लिफ्ट करके तन फिर होल्ड करना है. ठीक है, जिनको ज्यादा ही लोअर बैक पेन का प्रॉब्लम रहता है तो लेग्स को आप करोगे 90 डिग्री में, टो इन, नी स्ट्रेट एंड फिर होल्ड करना है. ठीक है, अदरवाइज अगर माइनर है तो आप कर सकते हो ये एक्सरसाइज. ठीक है, like this. 1, knee straight. 2, drop your one leg down 20 degree. ठीक है, एक लेग को डाउन लेके आना है 20 डिग्री में, देन फिर बैक 90 डिग्री, अपोजिट लेग डाउन 20 डिग्री, देन फिर बैक लेग 1, 2, 20 डिग्री टू 90 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री टू 20 डिग्री अप एंड डाउन कीजिए. नी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, very. Okay, everyone, relax. Drop your palm down. Straight your spine. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Join your both palm. Feel happy face and a smiley face. Again, deep breathe in and very gently breathe out. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Okay, now start. Om Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very gently and softly rub your both palms. Touching your eyes, touching your face, touching your neck, touch upper body and lower body, slowly head down. Thanks for God. Hari Om. Come back everyone. Very gently open your eyes and relax. Yes everyone, any question? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन? ओके, आज किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. सो कल आपका फ्राइडे है, कल आपका एडवांस, सॉरी, हेलो, कल आपके ना कुछ एडवांस आसनास भी होंगे. ठीक है, प्लस आपका फेस योगा एंड मेडिटेशन भी कोशिश करूंगी कि मेडिटेशन भी करवा पाऊँ कल. ओके,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, welcome. Okay everyone, bye, take care, have a nice day, bye, see you tomorrow, bye.